Hey, what's up guys? This is Virgil Bunao. Thank you for being on this channel. Today, in this episode, I'm going to cook some chicken adobo. Let's get to it.
You're going to need a chopped onion, black peppercorn, a tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 cups of soy sauce, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of white vinegar, minced garlic, 3 to 4 pounds of white and dark chicken meat. Let's get started. First, heat up the cooking oil. Sautee the garlic first. Brown the garlic. Then throw in the onions. Sautee the onion with the garlic until brown. Once the onion and garlic are brown, throw in the chicken. We want to simmer the chicken and garlic and onions together and allow the chicken to cook for about 4 to 8 minutes. This is a key part of the process. Check on the chicken after 4 minutes and stir. Make sure all the chicken are cooking evenly. Let the chicken cook some more for about 2 more minutes until the chicken is almost done. Stir occasionally, then add the black peppercorn and bay leaf. Stir some more. Add the vinegar, add the soy sauce, stir. Let it boil for 2 minutes at medium heat and allow the flavor to get in the chicken. Dish it up. Add the sauce on top. Garnish with cut up green onions and then serve with warm jasmine rice and you're all set. Enjoy!
That concludes our video on how to make chicken adobo. I hope you like this video. Please hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. We'll see you next time. Bye!